Keeping you posted, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a very common English phrase, keep you posted. This phrase is widely used in both casual and formal conversations. Understanding it can really help in your everyday English communication. So, let's dive in. Keep you posted is an idiomatic expression that means to regularly inform someone about something they are interested in or waiting for. It's like saying, I will update you with new information as it comes. This phrase is often used in situations where details are expected to change over time. While the exact origin of keep you posted is not clear, it is believed to be related to the practice of posting information on a bulletin board or sending updates through the mail. Think of it as a way of saying, I'll pin the latest news on your notice board. 1. In professional emails, I am currently waiting for the client's feedback. I will keep you posted as soon as I hear from them. 2. In personal conversations, don't worry about the party preparations, I will keep you posted on the plans. 3. In social media updates, follow my travel blog, and I'll keep you posted on my adventures around the world. Some common variations include, I'll keep you in the loop. I'll update you. I'll inform you of any changes. These phrases can be used interchangeably with, keep you posted. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, keep you posted. It's a handy expression to keep in your conversational toolkit, especially when you need to update someone regularly. Remember, effective communication is key in mastering any language. Stay tuned for more English language learning tips.